Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Cookley Stand Mixer. The SM1551 9.5 quarts. Stand mixer has the capacity and power to handle any job your recipes call for. With a whisk, beater, and a dough hook included, you can whip, mix, and knead your way through any family recipe for foolproof baking. With 10 speed, you have complete control of your mixing for perfect results. It also comes with a splash guard with spout, makes your cooking family friendly without anybody getting messy. Let's show more.
We're going to be making delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies today with our San Lita mixer. It comes with a high capacity 9.5 quart mixing bowl. It has a lid, it comes with a spatula and our 3 mixing tools, a bread hook, a whisk, and a beater. Everything is dishwasher safe and cleans up easily. The mixer has a planetary mixing action so that all the sides and everything gets thoroughly incorporated and mixed well. So let's get started.
Our second best stand mixer is Okma Stand Mixer. Okma Electric Foods Stand Mixer is designed for hands-free mixing for a wide variety of foods ranging from light and airy egg whites to sticky bread dough. A powerful 660-watt motor is great for everyday mixing and can even handle the thickest cookie dough. 6-speed mixer for all your food preparation needs. Ensures perfect mixing results every time. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still in using, and the splatter shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. Attachments include a whisk, mixing beater, dough hook and splash guard. 6-speed setting range for different occasions. The mixer has blue LED light as power indicator. Okma multifunctional stand mixer is pro-designed for your kitchen need. It will be one of your excellent kitchen appliance and gift choice. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Dash Stand Mixer. The Dash Everyday Stand Mixer is a 2.5 quarts pint-sized powerhouse that can whip up everything from whole wheat pancake batter, to oatmeal cookies, to fluffy egg whites with ease. Whether it is sweet or savory treats you crave, this entry-level mixer will do the job. Unprocess your food today with the recipe book that is included with purchase, and gain access to our database of thousands of recipes for free. The fully tilting motor head makes removing the mixing bowl and injecting the beaters or dough hooks easy, no more mess. Plus, the retro design and variety of trendy colors options will accent any kitchen. This portable, compact mixer packs a punch with a 250-watt motor and 6 different speed options ranging low to high to whip, beat or knead with even, uniform results. Number 4 in our best stand mixer list is Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. This Hamilton Beach stand mixer can tackle any baking recipe from whipping delicate meringues to mixing sticky pizza dough. It has the same rotating mixing action as KitchenAid stand mixers. The powerful 300-watt motor can handle the thickest of ingredients, including those peanut butter chocolate chip cookies your family devours. 7 speeds lets you go from a slow stir to a fast mix, with exact control at each one. Plus, a helpful guide at the mixer's top lets you know which speed to use for various mixing methods. An easy-to-use dial gives you complete control over mixing, and with 7 speeds, you'll have a wider range of speeds to choose from, so you can mix to the perfect consistency. Let's watch more. Our last pick is KitchenAid KSM 150P Sun Stand Mixers. The Artisan Series model has a 325-watt motor, 5-quart stainless steel bowl with comfort handle, pouring shield and a tilt-back mixer head design that provides easy access to bowl and beaters. Powerful enough for nearly any task or recipe, whether you're stirring wet and dry ingredients together, kneading bread dough or whipping cream. The tilt head design allows clear access to the bowl and attached beater or accessory so you can easily add ingredients for a recipe. Locking the head into place during operation keeps the beater to bowl contact close and efficient. Let's take a look.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!